Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another project share to share with you guys, and it's more card folios. And if you guys remember, when I shared the Christmas ones, I asked what other season you guys would like to see. You guys said Halloween, fall, and baby. So Halloween, I finished. Now fall. And the baby is coming up also. I just gotta glue everything down together, but those are almost ready also. So I cannot wait to share these with you guys and show you guys the inside. So I used this paper collection called Welcome Fall by Carta Bella, and I'll have this link down below. I have just little like 2x2s in here, little 2x2 cut aparts that I could use for something else. And then I had 2 sheets left of this paper, which I love, but I had 2 sheets left of that, so I had already used one, and I'll be using the other one for something again tomorrow. Well, tomorrow I'll be filming a tutorial, but you guys aren't going to see that, you know, the next day. But anyway, so I am going to share with you guys what these look like on the inside, and they are available in my Etsy shop in case you guys want to get them. I love fall crafting. Fall is my favorite season. I love fall paper, and yes, I'm really, really excited to share with you guys. All right, so here is one. This one says fall is in the air. I decorated with some flowers from my stash. I know these sunflowers are from Hobby Lobby. These leafy bits, this is a leaves bundle die set from Scrap Diva Designs. I think I've shared that die set like a million times now, but I'm not going to stop because I use it all the time, and I die cut out all like my colors at once with like scraps of paper, and I just save the leaves and the leafy bits for when I need them, and I love using them under like flower decorations, so highly recommend. This is the leaves bundle die set, and if you guys want to get anything from Scrap Diva Designs, you could use the code Carolina for 10% off your order. And I love it. I use it all the time. You guys are going to see it on all these projects. See the leaves, and then again we've got the leaves. I love them. They just add a little bit of something behind the flowers. So anyway, I have my zigzag stitch around the outsides, front and back. Handmade logo stamp here. I have that link down below as well. It's a stamp that I stamp onto my scrap white cardstock, and then I punch out with a 2-inch circle punch. So then I could have both of those linked down below, the stamp and the circle punch. So then you open this up, and it looks like this. So here I just have some sticker embellishments that I did to decorate. I have some photo mats in that pocket, as well as this little booklet that says let's go to the pumpkin patch. And these like photo mats can go here or this way. You could tuck it behind this acorn as well. And this is another die set. This is not from Scrap Diva. This is from Cocorino, I think it's called. It was a long time ago, but this was the other acorn that I had in my stash, and it felt like fall. So I just did it here, and then I put this little white gel pen that I literally just got white gel pens from Hobby Lobby the other day. So it's already coming in handy. Then you open this up, and here it says grateful, and actually both of these photo mats can just go right under there. It could even stay there if you want, or you could put like a picture on it, and both will go under here. See, like, look how beautiful that looks. That just looks so pretty. And then add a photo to that. So cute. But that word is a die also from Scrap Diva Designs. It's part of her new release for this month, and I love it. So let me show you guys. It is her, so it's her Thankful Words number 2. I'll have it linked down below. But she's got, this one says grateful. This one is thankful and blessed. And I love it. They're so pretty, you guys. I love those. And I used a different word in every single one of the albums, and it's so pretty. And I love how it has a shadow layer, which is like the dark orange that I did. And I did the gold foil with the, for the thinner piece of the actual word. But it's really cute. And then on the right hand side here, I've got a blank tag. And then this that says give thanks always. And that just lives in this pocket. So you can put photos in here. You could add gift cards to the pockets. You could tuck something in here. You could add a photo here as well. Like, wouldn't this just be so cute? If you're going apple picking, include a couple of your favorite photos. You could write about it with your kids. Or maybe you want to send some photos to the kids' grandparents, which is your parents or your husband's parents or their father's parents or whoever, and send some photos to them of like your fall activities and adventures. Or maybe you just want to gift something to somebody for the fall season. Maybe they love fall and you want to give them a Starbucks gift card for pumpkin spice lattes. I don't know. Anyway, so here's another one that I made. This one says, let's go to the pumpkin patch. And here's the back side. And you just open this up. And this one looks like this. This one also has an acorn here. You've got this little booklet. And again, you could tuck it behind the acorn, or you could do the photo mat. Same idea. Use some stickers here to decorate. And this one has the word thankful. So the other one was grateful, and now we have thankful. Decorated some stickers here. We've got this little booklet that says blessed, and just a plain tag in here as well. These are just really, really cute. They take some time to make because of all the double matting. Like, I do not know how Tiffany double mats on her albums. Like, even just this takes so long to double mat, you guys. Anyway, I was thinking of possibly making some of these for my craft fair, which I announced on Instagram. I just signed up for a craft fair today as I'm filming this video, for December though. And I was thinking of making some of these, but if I do them for the craft fair, I don't know if I'll double mat because it just takes more time. And I don't think people, like, it's going to have to be cheaper at the craft fair because I feel like people at craft fairs don't, like, they don't really see all the work that goes into handmade goods, so why put in as much work at the same time if I'm gonna make it cheaper anyway? So I don't know, maybe I won't do the double matting, but that would make it difficult because I really like these double matting for these folios specifically. We'll see. I don't know if I'll make them at all, but we'll see. Anyway, so this is the third one I made. It says life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. I've got these leaf decorations and floral bits all around. Then this one has a different ribbon, and it's the last of this one that I had left. That's why the other two have a different one. And then this one opens up like this. It says grateful heart here on a sticker. You've got this that says fall is in the air. And then here I have a sticker that says all we need is more hay rides and apple picking. And you could just tuck something behind that as well. And then you open this one up, and then this one says blessed inside. So see, I used all three of the words, and I love them. They're really, really, really pretty, and they added so much fanciness to my albums, to these folios. Then here I just have another floral decoration, and then this cut apart booklet, and then just a blank tag. And this tag can be used, like if you add a photo here, you could just use the tag and like have the photo here and then just write about like what that was about, the photo was about or whatever, or anything you want to remember. But yeah, so those are the three card folios that I finished for fall using the Welcome Fall collection by Carta Bella. I will have everything linked down below. The tutorial is linked down below as well. It's by Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy. She shows you guys a Halloween one in the tutorial. And I have just like ran with this every single year. I've just been making these and I love them. It's a great use of 6x6 paper pads, and honestly, it's just, I love making these. It's just fun. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. All the links and everything will be down below in the description box. Don't forget, if you want to get anything from Scrap Diva Designs, to use the code Carolina for 10% off your order. And if you want to get any of these, they're in my Etsy shop. So that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.